Okay, so in this next part, we are going to do creating a panoramic scene out of 4 different photos. Very easy to do in Photoshop. Now, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be going into your D2L, and you will be using Skyline 1, 2, 3, and 4 for this operation. And then what I would like you to do is make sure if you can access your downloads files from Photoshop, that will be fine. But if you can't access your download files, you may have to save these to your desktop in order to access them when we go over to Photoshop. So anyways, I'm going to go into Photoshop, and I'm going to go File, Open. And I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to open up these. Actually, we can just go ahead and open up the first one. And in my files, I can I can go into the network and get the basic files that I downloaded as well for each day. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up Skyline 1, which is fine. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down into the File menu, and I'm going to go Automate and go to Photo Merge. Okay, and then in Photo Merge, what I'm going to do is I'm going to browse. And again, as I said, I'm going to go to my files, and I'm just going to, I believe I have to bring all 4 up again. I may not have to bring up 1, but just for our sake, we'll do this. We can always get rid of 1 later. But I'm going to go ahead and open them up into the Photo Merge file. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Perspective. And down below here, you have some options, and we're going to keep Blend Images Together checked. We're going to check Vignette Removal and Geometric Distortion Correction. Once you have that in place, you hit OK. And basically what happens is Photoshop is going to actually take these 4 photos and look at the details in them and make a photo merge based on those 4 scenes. And as you can see here, we've got a very nice merge that has taken place. Now, of course, you have some of the distortion, of course, because of, the points of view of where you took your photo. And so this is a very easy situation to fix. What we're going to do next is we're going to go to the Crop tool. And then I'm just going to drag my handles to the edges of the photo. Maybe let's go up a little bit more. And then to the side. And then you double click it, and presto, you have your photo merge. Very simple application. This is really a great thing to use when you're doing scenery type of photos and you want to get those great vistas, or when you're photographing architecture as well and you can't get the tall buildings into your scene and you want to get them all. So to do this type of photography, what you do is you just take different points of view of a similar shot, and you can use this function in Photoshop to merge your photos. So that's it. Thanks.